Cupcake!
Hey everyone, it's Susie Cupcake here, and today we're in Venice!
We're leaving Rome and heading to Venice by this high-speed train. It takes between 3 and 4 hours to get from Rome to Venice, and it's quite an entertaining journey. The scenery is beautiful, and there's even this cute little cartoon that plays every now and then. The trains are equipped with restrooms and a food carriage, so you can buy lunch if you forget to pack something.
Literally just outside the train station.
Whoa, this hotel is like the photos online. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, the lighting is not that great, but it is so pretty in here. How's the view? It's alright. A little bit of a balcony there. Now what's this? Oh, a bidet! A foldable bidet. That's exciting. Oh yay! Heat towel rack. Love these things. Means I can do some washing. And a good sized shower, it seems. I love the chandelier light. That's so pretty. Another thing about Italy is that they don't seem to give you separate shampoo, conditioner and soap like they do in most other hotels. It's all just a 3-in-1 situation. Venice is so pretty. So far we've seen a few bits and bobs and it is absolutely beautiful. Today the weather doesn't seem to be that great, so let's go see what we can do. It's going so slowly. Oh, it wasn't slow like this before. Where did we stop? So we were just heading out to go see Venice and we're stuck in the lift. So the doors miraculously opened on the second level, so now we're just walking down the stairs because it's not worth taking the risk and going on the lift again. This is the sink in the lobby bathroom of the hotel. And this is the rest of the lobby. These Murano glass chandeliers are stunning!
raining a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring down like it did in Rome. Yeah, this is so much fun. It's such a beautiful view. Gotten off the water bus and it is raining. We were looking at people riding the gondolas and it was like, oh, they look so pretty, but there's no shelter over them, so they're just getting rained on. And I'm like, yeah, getting on the water bus was the better choice for today. I want to pay 80 euros to get rained on. You can just walk down the alleyway and just find so much Basilica, Basilica San Marco. It is beautiful, and it's an already wet city, and it's even wetter now. And this behind me is St. Mark's Square, full of umbrellas, very colourful. Oh, and there's a gorgeous clock tower. And behind me is an even bigger tower. Really pretty. I'm gonna see if we can go inside the basilica. So that's the line behind me. It actually goes around to the back over there and curves around and is like probably a good couple of hours of wait in this rain. And you're not allowed to take backpacks or take any cameras or photos or anything like that. So, well, it is free entry, so it's expected to have a long line. We probably will give it a miss.
You can take excursions to other islands in Venice, like Murano and Burano. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to be able to do this, and the weather didn't leave us feeling particularly adventurous. But if you've been to those islands, please comment below and let me know how it was and how much I missed out on.
Walking randomly towards our hotel, which is actually still quite far away, and we happened upon a music church. So it's like a music museum church, and it was so pretty inside. Oh my god, it was probably the best museum I've been to so far. It was so gorgeous, and oh, I loved it. So you can just like stumble upon really amazing things in Venice. Just go for a wander and see what you find.
I've got some gnocchi and some sausage pizza. everywhere you turn, there is something new and exciting. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.